All right, guys, nice job. So let's go over our Google form and just make sure you got all the things filled out and hopefully all of your questions answered. Remember, after this at 10:30, we have a math group meeting that everyone is welcome to come to. So you can come with all of your questions or concerns and we'll check your work then. So at the very top, you have our target and introduction, and there were 3 questions there. We talked about those. What is an example of a 3-digit number? What is the answer to a subtraction problem called? And true or false, decompose means to break apart. We talked about those in this video. All right, then we went on and you got to choose one or more if you chose to do more, counting. Which one did you do on your paper? Did you do 3s to 30s, 3s to 30, 7s to 70? Which one? You can choose. Okay, for our second warm-up, we were practicing rounding to the nearest 10 and then adding. So if I was going to round 173 plus 49 to the nearest 10 and then give an answer, what answer did you say? Did you say 170? Did you say 100? Or did you say 220? I know it's not 170 because that's way too close to this number. 100, that's less than this number. 220 is the correct answer. What is 519 plus 185 rounded to the nearest 10 and added? 519 rounded to the nearest 10 is, everybody, 520. 185 rounded to the nearest 10 is, everybody, 190. Good job, which gives me 710 if I add the two together. Our third warm-up was to mentally subtract. So that means we were trying to do it in our heads, and we were practicing talking about 42 tens versus how many ones. So there was an example, and if you watched that video, I gave you the answer to this problem. Hopefully you watched it because it was a freebie. This bonus question, you did not have to answer this. This was just if you were feeling ready to go, you could. Our bonus question today says, what does 5 tens minus 5 ones look like? And what is the answer? 10 minus 5 equals 5? That's true, but is that what this represents? 100 minus 5 equals 95. True. Is that what this represents? 100 minus 50 equals 50. Again, true, but is that what this represents? It is one of those 3. It's the middle one. All right, our application problem today, I let you guys do on your own. The only thing you needed to give me was the answer. I did expect you to do your read, draw, write in the corner. I would love to see that in group if you join. If you did your math, you would know that 825 milliliters is how much water Tara drank for her hike. Our first problem was talking more about Tara on her hike. This time we were saying how much water she had left at the end of her hike, and we were trying to figure out how much she drank. All I want you to do here is just tell me how using the place value chart helped you or how it could help you. Okay? Just give me a short little answer. The second problem we talked about was using our standard algorithm, where we stack the numbers on top of each other and we borrow, we use our place value chart. That's what that one was all about. So if you get to our independent practice and are a little confused, I would come back and I would watch this video because I go over exactly how to set up your problem and how to use a place value chart, which you can very easily draw on your own. I only want you to spend about 10 minutes on these problems right here. Okay, give them a try. Give it your very best. If you have any questions about them, of course, just bring those to our group meeting at 10:30. You guys did awesome today. I am so proud of you. Nice job.